Welcome to another episode where we uncover the latest trends and insights in the ever-evolving world of mobile technology. I'm your host, Dennis Taylor, and in today's episode, we'll be exploring the remarkable growth of the Brazilian mobile market as it gears up to reach a phenomenal 5.2 billion in gross revenue and 39.1 billion downloads by the year 2027. The Brazilian mobile market has been rapidly ascending the ranks, and the forecast is nothing short of extraordinary. Now, according to the mobile analytics firm Sensor Tower, their latest mobile marketing forecast predicts a remarkable surge in Brazil's revenue from 2.8 billion to a staggering 5.2 billion by 2027, making it the 11th largest mobile market by revenue and the second largest by downloads. Now, Sensor Tower singles out Brazil in their report due to its outstanding revenue growth. In 2022 alone, Brazil witnessed a remarkable 33% surge in revenue, soaring from 945 million in 2021 to a staggering 1.3 billion in 2022. Now, the growth has been attributed to the increased penetration of smartphones and improved internet connectivity across the country. You know, it's fascinating to see how Brazil's mobile gaming sector plays a significant role in driving revenue. Even by 2027 estimates, mobile gaming is projected to remain the largest contributor to mobile revenue. Now, Brazil's thriving mobile game industry contributes to the country's prominence in the global market. Interestingly, Chinese companies like Tencent and NetEase have also marked Brazil as a favorite destination for new game launches, showcasing the country's growing significance. Now, Brazil's rise is evident. We should note that Sensor Tower's third-party omission poses challenges for markets like China, where Google Play is not available. Now, for markets like the United States, where iOS App Store and the Google Play App Store reign, Brazil presents itself as a notable marketplace. Now I see it's clear that Brazil's appeal lies not only in its thriving mobile game industry, but also in its potential for growth and freedom as a market. Now, the absence of political baggage and the country's relatively young market offer unique advantages for companies looking to expand their reach. And with events like the Big Games Festival garnering significant interest, it's evident that the Brazilian games market is indeed generating remarkable attention. Now, events like the Big Games Festival indicate that both international and domestic interest in the Brazilian games market is flourishing. You know, it's fascinating to see the changing dynamics of the global mobile market. With Brazil's ascent, the United States' decline in revenue, and Africa's struggle to surpass 1 billion in gross revenue, we're witnessing a shift that could reshape industry rankings. Now, the emergence of Brazil as an influential market, along with the attention it's receiving from China, is setting the stage for an increasingly dynamic market landscape in the years to come. Now, the Brazilian mobile market's journey is nothing short of spectacular. With projections of 5.2 billion in gross revenue and 39.1 billion downloads by 2027, it's a force to be reckoned with in the global mobile technology. As the mobile industry continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments and shifting rankings among publishers and developers. So thank you for joining us on this insightful episode. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the latest trends and advancements in the world of mobile technology. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating in this ever-changing landscape of mobile gaming and technology. Saúde!